same sting. Lady looks in your eyes and it suddenly springs, like when Nala looked at Simba in The Lion King.
This message was transmitted at the request of the Albuquerque Police Department. At this time, 4 children have been abducted at the Albuquerque Public Schools. The first child is 9-year-old Kelly Miller. She is a white girl, weighing 110 pounds, brown hair, green eyes, and she was last seen wearing a pink unicorn shirt with matching unicorn shorts and pink twinkle toes shoes. The rest 3 kids are unknown at this time. We will alert you when we get more information about the kids. The kidnapper is unknown at this time. We will alert you when more info is found.
One hour later.
This message was transmitted at the request of the Albuquerque Police Department. We have gotten more info about the Amber Alerts broadcasted 1 hour ago. The second child is Axel Herman. He is 11 years old, weighing 156 pounds. He has black hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a Cobra jersey with no cells, and yellow and purple shorts to match, and black Nikes. The third child is Helen Muirmont. She is a 10-year-old Hispanic girl weighing 132 pounds. She has brown hair and hazel eyes. She was last seen wearing an oversized Ariana Grande shirt, black pajama pants and white slippers. The last child is 7-year-old Maya Waterloo. She weighs about 102 pounds. She has black hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing a red Mickey Mouse t-shirt, red shorts and black Crocs. The suspect isn't known still, but we will alert you when the suspect is found.
Это чококи, я сразу была рождена острозубой. Грустная сука, да, это моя.
Hello and welcome back to Noah News. Today 4 kids went missing and the suspect responsible for it hasn't been found yet. Now, let's talk about the weather. It's a very sunny day and it is 4:07 p.m. There are no weather warnings right now since it's so sunny. And it's perfect weather to go to the park or the beach. Just remember to have a mask on and gloves.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Albuquerque Police Department. There has been a team with 8 members called the Ultimate Kidnappers. They will abduct any child inside. If you have any kids, get them into your house if they're outside, lock all doors and windows, and keep your child safe if you have one. Grab any weapon if the Ultimate Kidnappers break into your home so you have protection.
And ran through playland, so high to.
Don't worry, Peppa.
Don't splash us with water, Daddy!
I told you I wouldn't splash.
Clever Daddy!
Well done, Daddy Pig.
No need for my...
This is not a test. The government will be speaking on all cable systems shortly. Please stand by. The EAS is having technical difficulties. Please stand by for further information.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Sorry for the issue with the technical difficulties. We are back though. This broadcast was transmitted at the request of the United States government. At this time, the ultimate kidnappers abducted over 30 children, and their parents were beaten to death, or severely injured. It's 7:23 p.m. and we are in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And if you live within a 10-mile radius of Pittsburgh, you should shelter in place. To shelter in place, take immediate action. Bring all household members and pets indoors. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off heating, air conditioning systems and fans. Get in a room with very little windows, like a closet or a bathroom. And get into the fetal position if possible. If not possible, get under a bed or inside a closet. If no closet is found, get into your bathtub in the bathroom. The president will be speaking shortly. Please be patient and wait for the message. This broadcast will repeat right now.